In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all Power Automate flows in your environment using the Power Platform. If you're looking to manage, organize, or maybe just get a quick overview of your workflow automation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to sign in to the Power Automate portal. If you haven't used it before, you'll find it's a part of Microsoft's Power Platform, enabling you to automate workflows between your apps and services. Ensure you have your credentials ready. These will typically be your Microsoft account details. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Power Automate homepage. This is where you can begin exploring the various capabilities of Power Automate. But today, we're focusing on finding all your flows. The next step is to navigate to the My Flows section. You can easily find this option on the left-hand side menu. As you click on My Flows, the portal will direct you to a comprehensive list of all flows. This includes both the ones you have personally created and those that others have shared with you. This feature is particularly useful for collaboration or if you're managing multiple projects at once. Now that you're viewing your list of flows, you'll be able to see a variety of details about each one. For instance, it displays the names of the flows, their current statuses, and whether they are active or inactive. This can help you quickly assess which flows might need attention or adjustments. You can also see when they were last modified and who modified them, offering you a clear historical overview. In this space, you have several options to enhance your workflow experience. You might notice options to filter or sort these flows depending on what you're looking for specifically. These tools can be extremely useful if your list is extensive and you need to pinpoint particular flows quickly. From the My Flows section, you can also edit any of these flows by clicking on them. This seamless transition from overview to detail allows you to manage workflows efficiently. Lastly, if at any point you wish to share a flow or delve deeper into its analytics, you can explore the options available within each flow item. This is where the real power of Power Automate shines, offering flexibility and depth in managing your automations. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access and view all your Power Automate flows within your environment. This process not only helps in organization, but also keeps you informed about your automation landscape. Don't forget to save any changes before navigating away from a page to prevent losing any important updates. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your workflow management with ease.